You did it?
Yeah.
Lexi, no! Oh! Lexi, don't touch the bird.
She's weird. I like the bird lady.
Lexi, don't you touch that bird. No, Lexi. Oh.
I'll have to put you in the house.
Hey, it's a bird's world today. Look at, see, put it in your... Look at this. It took it. It's hungry.
It's like, where's the next one? No.
No, Lexi.
No.
Lexi, no, no.
Are you getting a picture?
Yeah.
Before I bend over?
Yeah.
Baby's getting a freaking hungry bird. Where's your mama?
I know.
Look. Get it.
Well, you got to get it faster than that. There you go. Oh, he ate it right up. You got a bird for life. You realize that. This bird ain't never going away. He's hungry. That one's not healthy. Oh, yeah, he says, oh, oh my God. Who would think you'd be feeding a wild bird?
Not me. Oh,
I never saw it before.
Yeah. Come on. Get it.
He says, you're not doing as good as my mama does. She puts it in my mouth.
Here, here.
Boy, he talks a lot. It's like he's telling you something. It's so weird. Look at Lexi. And then the dog's here.
Eat this.
Your tummy full? What a trip. Lexi, no, no. Be a good girl. You are a good girl. Because they're bird dogs.
Yeah. Don't get crazy with me. Here. You had 3 worms. I don't know what else to... I'm not giving you no more. But isn't it wild? Like, it just flies right onto my back.
I know.
I'm like...
Come on, birdie. What a good dog. My God. Tummy full now? You're on camera.
Alex, what's going on, Alexis? Huh? Look at this bird.
What a trip.